Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you the best settings for Mortal Kombat Deception. So you can see here, I got Mortal Kombat Deception. That's gonna be the best settings so you can fight it while playing on your PC. That means the best settings so you can play it well on your computer. So let's go to Lilypad, which is gonna be here, config, and it's gonna be controllers, Lilypad, plugin settings. So what you wanna do, it's a bit complicated. You're not gonna use pad 1, you're gonna use pad 2. So basically, when you will be here, it will be X input 1, and you just have to delete everything, uh, clear all, and then manually press on this and then press it here. So let's say I wanna put the left analog stick. I press here and then I press a key. And if that doesn't work, you see here, L stick up, and then after that you wanna do what you wanna do. You wanna go uh, apply, and then you're gonna go general, and you're gonna save bindings, and you're gonna save it again. I'm not gonna do that because I don't wanna be using this, but you get the point. So anyway, if we're going back here, what's the best settings? Well, for my keyboard, you see this, which is D-pad, up, left, right, down. I put the arrow keys. So that's the arrow keys here, as you can see. Um, for L1, L2, L3, L R1, 2, 3, I put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on my keyboard, so just in case I need it. L stick left, right, left, down, all of this stuff. I just put, let me see what I did put. Um, okay, for the L stick, left stick, which is this one, I used my WASD. So up is W, left is A, right is D, and S is down. For my right one, I used so what I used, let me check. Um, sorry, this is a bit complicated. Okay, so for my right stick up, I used O on my keyboard. Left, I used K. Right, I used let me show you. Where was it? Right stick down, left, right. Oh, wait, right stick. I don't have it. Okay, so we're gonna be putting this. So it's like a WASD on your other side of your keyboard. So if you need it, so it's gonna be right. Yeah. Um, so for the analog and the mouse, I don't do these. You don't really need them. I leave this all alone. I just did this right now with you guys, which was WASD. Yeah, and this is let me go again through it. O, K, this thing, and it's gonna be L. Okay. For here, I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D-pad, arrow keys, arrow up, arrow left, arrow right, arrow down. For my these things, because these are gonna be what I'm gonna be fighting with in Mortal Kombat Deception, you need it to be close to you. So for square, what I did is I went with V. That's your blocking maneuver. That's the way where you block an attack. That's V. Um, my triangle, let me find it real quick, is C. So that's usually a punch. That's a punch, like a quick double punch. That's C. Um, for my cross is X. That's a kick. And for my circle, that's gonna be, let me check real quick. It's Z. Um, so that's also a kick, I think. So yeah, the select is this thing. You will see it on your keyboard, and for the start is this thing. It's just easy to navigate with that. So yeah, I have this exact configuration because when you go in game in Mortal Kombat Deception, the only thing you need to use is your select and start and your square, triangle, cross, circle. That's all the things you mainly need to use, and your right analog stick for if you don't want to use the select thing, you can use that as a select, and that's it. Um, They're all close to your hands, so when you go in fighting mode versus somebody, you just use ZXCW, uh, ZXCV, sorry, and you'll be good. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna apply this, go general, save my bindings, don't forget that. Yes, we're gonna replace it, and then we're gonna be okay. So I hope I don't get copyrighted, but we're gonna boot this. So ISO selector, it's Mortal Kombat Deception, as I said. So we're gonna boot it. Yes, you want to do okay. Um, so let's go. This is guys. So just like you can also see that works and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so this is gonna come up, and I'm gonna show you what to do with this. Just leave it for a second, and we're gonna go through this as well. Because it's on your computer, it's a bit different, so it shouldn't be a problem. So you see it has the options. So what you want to do is press the right bracket, which I put for start, and just press start. Simple as that. Just leave it now. You can leave it. So here you can watch a trailer, kind of, a spoiler, or you can just press start. This is a spoiler, but I'm gonna skip it so I don't get copyrighted, as I said. Um, so now you're presented with this, and I'm just gonna press start again to skip it, and you're in the game, right? So I'm navigating with my arrow keys now, with my settings, arrow keys, yeah? I wanna select combat, I press X, which is my triangle, I think. I press X, and I wanna go arcade, I press X again, and I'm presented with the screen. I used my arrow keys, which I showed you guys before, to select what I want. And to confirm it, I just press X. So I'm actually gonna go with Cobra. So I press X. And now we will start playing the game. Also, these video settings are enhanced video settings, which I will be showing in another video. So subscribe if you want to see that. These are 4K equivalent settings, so you get really high quality. Okay, so we're gonna be in the fight now. You see how we're gonna use our Z, which is a kick. This is just my Z, my X, which is a kick as well. It's a low mid kick. My C, which is punches. And my W, and this is actually also a punch. So yeah. V is a punch. I'm sorry, I just got confused. So they're all punches. So yeah. Just kill him. Okay, we got him. Nice. Let's go.